Okay, my friend, awesome stuff. You've decided to take me up on my fantastic offer and access my powerful trend detector indicator absolutely free. Now pay close attention to this video. I'm going to firstly show you how to actually access the indicator, and then I'm going to show you how it actually works. So first off, you will be receiving an email from me right about now. So pause the video and head over to your email account. Okay, so you should have opened up your email. It will say your name and it will say confirm your subscription. Okay, so what you want to do is simply confirm your subscription. Now you must confirm to access the indicator. If you don't confirm it, you can't access the indicator. Okay, so just make sure you confirm that, and you will be redirected to a video. Just this video again here. Next, check your email. So I'll just confirm this. Confirm. You'll be redirected to the same page you're on now. So just pause the video. Okay, so you've confirmed your email. Next, you will be receiving an email from me, a new one, which will have the headline title of your download link for your free trend indicator is ready. Okay, so just check your email, and inside you will see where it says click here to download your indicator. So just click there and you'll be able to download the indicator. Now make sure you save it on your desktop somewhere where it's easy to find. Okay, so once you've downloaded it, next open up MT4. Simply open up your MT4, go to File, Open Data Folder here, click on it. Now locate the indicator on your desktop. So mine's in here, FXAUUSD. You can see here, Trend Detector. Right click, copy, select back, and go to MQL4, double click. Click on Indicator, hit right click, paste. And paste the indicator in there. Mine's already on the chart. Next you want to go to Insert Indicator on your MT4, and then Trend Detector, and load it on. Okay, so that's the indicator loaded onto your MT4 chart. Now make sure you go back to the email now and select where it says click here to watch setup video. So this is the video we're on now. I'm going to actually show you how it works. So if you click on that and come back to this video and skip to around 3 minutes. Okay, so how the indicator works, it's very simple. You can see when it's green, it's going up, and when it's red, it's going down. And there's two colors. There's two colors of green, and there's two colors of red. This here, green, like the lighter color, green, means it's a strong buy. This color here means it's either getting ready to go a dark, this green, or it's getting ready to sell like here. Okay, so after this, you see this color, see it's red, and this starting to get a bit strong. Buyers are starting to come in. Then it gets this color here. You can buy in this candle here. No, it goes down, but boom, it rallies up there pretty powerfully off that. The same thing when it's going red. You can see it goes like a pinker color first, which is a light sell, and then it goes to darker red, which is when you want to be actually selling. Okay, and you see boom. You see it goes a bit green here. This means the sellers could be getting weaker or getting ready to drop again, which it did. Okay, so that's how it works. Changes color with trend. See here, goes green, goes pink, then green, then boom, up, light green, pinkish, light red, red. Okay, so it's very simple how it works. Kind of go with the trend also, but you can play around with it. It's very, very powerful once you get to use it and understand it. You can actually know where you are in the market on any currency pair at any one time. So green means you're in an uptrend, you should only be looking to buy, and red means it's down, you should be looking to sell. You can actually implement this with other strategies you have, but it's a really, really easy, powerful way to tell the direction of the trend. So I hope this helps. Now make sure you stay tuned to more of my emails, where I'll be sharing with you some really cool tools, strategies, and systems. Especially tomorrow's email, where I'm going to be showing you my #1 price action strategy and letting you access it absolutely free. So pay close attention to tomorrow's email. And any questions, get in contact with me at will@xaus.com. And looking forward to hearing your success stories on your journey to become a consistently successful trader. So speak soon, will@xaus.com.